Tetara, they don't number kundu. Lamala Sorata, 2 years.
So in all the time, it is important that where one carry through the supplication prayer to the Guru, and then mingling one's nature with the Guru's enlightened mind, and maintaining that practice is important. This we as a just sentient being is kind of that based on one's karma, that which is somehow our mind never be just still even for a moment. And how much that source of all this thought and conceptual mind arise, that much is just giving rise to all kinds of afflictive emotions. So that is why with a very stable mindfulness, and then not getting afflicted or not giving rise to so many thoughts, and then one should engage into the Dharma practice. So this our own mind is what we are thinking or how thoughts are arising. It is not obscure to oneself. It is just one could have the direct experience of one's own mind. So that is why in relation with all these Dharma practices, not just fall into any of these conceptual thoughts or afflictive emotion where one try to work on, just try to reduce, and then one has to have a very stable mind to do the practice. And also that where one could have a true belief in the object of refuge, and then into the just true Dharma, and according to that one just give rise to such a that faith, and then engaging into practice, that what it is the procedure. So if one have a very stable mind, and then one try to engage into these Dharma practices, then of course one could have some result out of it. So if one doesn't have a very stable or relaxed mind, then however physically one looks like kind of just practicing, not necessarily one could have the result. So where there are possibilities just for a moment, one may give rise to some faith or inclination, but still when one's mind is not very stable, then again that all those kind of the devotion and so forth instantly just got changed, and one could not really receive that blessing.
Wrongly settle Toshina, not Chemboy, not Yaboy. Oh, there is something.
So if we just look into our minds, all the time where we think that, oh, I'm just great, I'm just good, and no anyone thinks that I cannot do this or I'm not just capable. So that what it is our mind.
Te wrong sem the wrong mar ndur gure ma to yendi ndurung semers.
So that is why one should work with one's mind, how we can subdue and tame it. Otherwise, there will no anybody else that can just help you to tame it.
No, they said so. Kembanagi kashi abosongi yore, te nangi jikeni de ron so senton yale, kon zazachi no ronos.
So then there are all these teachings that given by the Kempo, so that try to really digest in your being, and then just with the hard work try to carry through the practice.
So Kempo said, you don't touch a trakitane, yarzone, kipachimochursumbatele, Kempo Segures.
That what we call Kempo is those who have studied well and got their just education, and then it is named as Kempo.
Kempo now kashi sumoyate, sonjeji chirong temba yabochire madu, gitemba trake drunke denreti yomaris.
So that all those the teachings has to be in accordance with the Buddha's teaching, that there is no anything all other kinds of nonsense things.
Ngasuki now di sasan no the combat no to Carle Mobo de Yarzo, the no senduate, Charona Tanti Dina only, cheat them but the two owns on the two take is over.
So even just us that kind of buying this land and then starting this retreat center and working with it, just hoping that you all can just come here to study and engage into practice, and that hoping that you can do the Dharma practice properly.
Oh, the Geronto. Con tutti che ne tempo si ci non so lena,
So in this way, if you just continuously work on with the practice and just maintain it, then of course there will be some change and some better result out of all those practices. So even one wish or thinking that instantly one want to have some change or some kind of transformation and result, maybe it is too much just kind of great hope. So however, when we look into our life, that we have been born in this world just so continuously, just birth and death, that which we could not even imagine. In that way, we have been just wandering in the samsara. So in that way, for a long period of time, that which we have accumulated all those karmas or negativity in this world, then at this present moment, obtaining this precious human rebirth, and then hearing this Dharma teaching, and then engaging into these practices properly, and that way it will just slowly get purified, and then one could have certain level of experience and realization. It is important to watch one's mind and whenever one find any kind of mistake or fault one have done, then one should make a commitment that in the future I will never do such kind of just negativity or mistake again. In that way, just have to have a very stable commitment.
Oh yeah, that Nima Bachepato Payaton to Tempe double. Come up with him, but sound good. They don't matter to the market. Judges.
So then today that of course our that in generally Nyingma and especially our Payuls that one of the lineage holder Kamakuje Rinpoche is arriving today here at our center.
What then they did? Oh yeah, did you say? Oh yeah.
So then you all can just wants to visit can visit. Thank you.